Inside as we approach Amity, the shark's been captured. There's definitely another shark in the water. For safety, we're gonna move the tram forward a little bit, and we're gonna hide right behind this abandoned dock. But I do need everyone to please sit down at all times. There we go. Now we can be safe. We are gonna move here, hide behind this beautiful abandoned dock filled with danger signs and gasoline tanks. Directed by Steven Spielberg, which premiered in 1975. It's going to be turning 50 this summer. And Steven Spielberg himself named our mechanical shark here. His name is Bruce. Bruce is the only shark in the world that can swim on top of the water in reverse, as you can catch him doing right now. These sets were also used as the town of Cabot Cove during the filming of the TV show Murder, She Wrote, starring Angela Lansbury as Jessica Fletcher. Now, as you know, the studios are located in Southern California. That means weather here is usually very sunny and dry throughout the entire year, which is great for filmmaking. But sometimes on the left, at some point, were real houses where people lived.